Choose your language and keyboard settings. Then click Install. Type product key or choose I don't have a key. Choose an edition and click Next. Now accept the license terms. Choose Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. You can choose to format them or delete them and create a new partition in the unallocated space. Either way, you'll be losing your data. In this case, we deleted the partitions and created a new one. Windows automatically creates a couple of additional partitions that are necessary for it to function. Click Next and the installation will begin. Windows will automatically restart. Choose your region and keyboard layout. You can add another keyboard layout. Connect the internet or continue with limited setup. Create username and password. Now choose security questions and your answers. Choose your appropriate privacy settings. The installation is done. Enjoy using Windows 11.